it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel. Let's take it back old school. Today we're doing a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. Now, Stitch Fix was the first ever clothing subscription service I tried. When I first started making YouTube videos, I actually did makeup and hair videos, like tutorials, try this, try that, makeup looks type thing. And then I noticed someone I followed was doing a Stitch Fix unboxing and mentioned that they had ventured into plus size. So I thought, okay, well, let's try it. It's only a $25 fee to try it, so it wasn't super expensive. Obviously, whatever you want to keep you pay for, but 25 bucks out the gate, I thought, let's give it a go. And here we are today. How many years later? 6, 7 years later. Now, I haven't done Stitch Fix in a while because I feel like I can find very similar items for less money other places, but I also know that Stitch Fix has like Stitch Fix only type products. Remember, for a long time, I would order a pair of matching pajamas, like the shorts and the button-up collared short sleeve shirt, every single time I got a box, and I have so many of those pajamas now that I absolutely love. So I thought, let's give it a go. Let's try to get some spring, like bright color things. Again, it's $25. That's what you pay, but for some reason, it was a $0 box this time. Not to keep, but to get in the mail was $0. Maybe it's like a promo, or maybe because I hadn't been in a while, they were doing like, hey, come back. You can get this box for free. So 25 bucks typically, pay for what you want to keep, but they also send you a pre-labeled bag to ship it back, so you're not paying for shipping back either. This go round also, I was able to select, I think it was up to 8 pieces for my box. They had given me a list of things like, hey, we think you'll like these. What do you want in your box? I didn't love everything. So I think I ended up only getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 pieces in this box. I do have a pair of shoes that I think could be really cute. Again, I tried to pick like brighter spring things. That's what I requested from my stylist, who was Carly, by the way. This is Style Fix number 47 for me, which is crazy that I've been doing it that long. Again, it's been a while since I did it. Oh, also what they do is if you buy everything in your box, you get 25% off. So we'll talk about price and all that stuff as we go, but let's do a little Stitch Fix unboxing. First outfit we have, this light blue sweater is 54 bucks. Vero Moda is the brand. Shorts are in a size 20W, $48, Market and Spruce. I think Market and Spruce is a Stitch Fix only brand. These are in a size 20W. Now, I liked the idea of the bright yellow shorts with this light blue sweater. Yellow is my favorite color. I don't know, like they're a denim short. I just wish they had more structure to them because they have a ton of stretch. So that's why they're a little bit more snug on my stomach. I love the length. They are like a nice quality short. I think the fit is fine. They're like a mid-rise on me. The sweater is really pretty too. It's very lightweight. I love this light blue color. I think it's in a size 3X. I would say both pieces run a little bit small. This fits me more like a 1X or a 2X, I would think. The shorts, again, have stretch to them, but they're not as roomy as I would think they would be for a size 20W. But overall, the colors are really pretty. Again, like pockets in the back. These are true denim shorts. I think they'd be cute rolled as well, or like cuffed. I just don't know. Like, I think maybe the sweater, I was hoping the sweater would be a little bit more oversized, to be a little bit longer, because I knew this light color short would do this. I kind of wish I would have picked the denim shorts. I think there was a pair, there was denim shorts, maybe jeans, but I spotted the yellow and thought, let's do yellow, like spring type colors. I just wish this was a little bit more oversized, because then you could almost like pin tuck it or French tuck it on the side. And if it had enough room, like extra fabric to it, then it would cover and it would just be really cute. So in theory, I like it. I don't know if it translates as well on me. Let's go ahead and put the shoes on. We'll leave them on throughout the entire video. They come in this cute little shoe bag, which if you keep the shoes, the bag would be so smart for travel or storage. I liked these like little tan sandal style shoes. The brand is Mia, in a size 9.5. I liked the darker tan with the espadrille look. I'm gonna have to cut this string so that I can actually, I mean, I probably could walk around in them, but I wanna give them a proper shot. So I hope that doesn't impact me, like if I decide not to keep them. Ow. Also, before I put them on, look how cute the little tortoise looking button, snap, closure is on the side. I'm between a 9, 9.5, and 10, but these look, when I pulled these out, I thought that they looked roomy. We're gonna try to put them on without unhooking them. Okay, wait, these are so cute. I feel like they run a little bit big. I could probably do the 9. How much should I pay for these? Mia is the brand, $69? Mia brand, I see a lot of boutiques carry. You can find them at like shoe stations, shoe department type stores. $69 is very pricey for this brand. They are comfortable. I like the bit of height that they give me. What, like probably an inch? They're a very cute, like spring summer shoe. I might see if I can grab these somewhere else a little bit less expensive. I'll put a little video here so that you can see what it looks like full length. But I like the look. Again, I think it just misses the mark slightly. I would like both pieces a little bit roomy, and I don't think the top comes bigger than a 3X. I think that's the largest size that this comes in. Shorts, I could get in a size 22 just to give me a little bit more room. But I don't know. Okay, that's what I'm deciding. It's missing the mark a little bit. I like it, not completely. I'm keeping on the shoes for the rest of the video. Did I say that already? Because I think that they would go with everything else. They also sent this top. This is the brand 9 Brighton, in a size 3X, $39. This feels incredible. It's like a soft, like silky cotton material. I love the little ruffle on the sleeve. This fits me like a 3X would fit. I like the length a little bit longer, again, especially with these shorts. This is very cute. It's got a little slit on the side. I'd call it slightly high-low on me, but that could just be because I do have a larger chest, so it's kind of pushing it out a little bit. I like this. Like, this is even cute with the yellow shorts. I do wish that they'd given me the option to get this in a solid color. However, I know I asked for like spring bright things, but this style would be so pretty in like a hot pink or like a neon yellow, something like that, I think would be really pretty. I do not like the stripes. This like sage green color I think is really pretty. The outfit is cute. I just don't know if it's me. Like, it's bright, like they really did give me what I asked for, but I don't know if I love the pieces together on me. Just something about it is a little bit off. I'm very comfortable. Like, these shoes, I need to price them and see if I can find them somewhere else cheaper first, because these could be so cute, which I have dresses to show you, but they'd be cute with dresses, with shorts, with jeans, and they're very comfortable. I like being a little bit taller. I know I already am tall. You know, when I was younger, I hated it because I've been this height since I was in like 6th grade, you know? But nowadays, I'm like, let's add a little bit of extra height to it. Had this shirt been $14, $19-ish, I probably would keep it. But in order to get the discount, I have to keep everything. And I already don't want these shorts. So this shirt, the other top, everything so far probably will go back with the exception of the shoes. Again, we'll talk about the shoes. This was probably what I was most excited for, and it's too big. But I liked the cut of it, the sweetheart neckline, the ruffles, the smocking, like the length, the whole overall color of it I thought was really pretty. This is Market & Spruce brand in a size 3X, $58. I probably would want this one in like a 1X to give the smocking here a chance to actually, you know, sit on my body and pull a little bit. But it does have pockets. It's knee length. It's like a gauzy type material. I think this up here is so pretty. If I lay it correctly, I feel like the straps could cover my bra, but I would probably wear a bralette with it unless I could get it in the size 1X and it was snug enough that I probably just wouldn't wear a bra, because this is like smocking material up here too. But yeah, it's not quite the right fit. I think it's such a pretty idea. I think it's so cute with the little sandals. I believe they do free, like you buy the item and get the exchange, like you don't pay for return or additional shipping. So I need to go in and look at that and see, because this is a pretty like fun dress, Market & Spruce brand, so you can't just find this anywhere. You might be able to find something super similar somewhere, but this, like the overall color and the style and everything, I just thought would be so pretty for spring. Okay, wait a minute. This is so cute. It's a cropped jumpsuit. Y'all know I'm into this like blue floral print. I think the color is so pretty. It's elastic here. I just slipped it on, tied this. You've got the wrap style here with pockets. Oh my gosh, the longer I look at myself in this mirror, this is so cute. So brand is Kaylee, in a size 3X, $58, which I think is a fair price for this. It's cute with the sandals as well. I wish they would give you a discount on everything, because then if I could get 25% off of this, I would probably keep it. You do get your styling fee back, the $25 you pay to get the box. You do get that deducted towards whatever you keep, but for some reason I didn't have to pay that this time, so I don't get that extra $25 off. I love this. It's such a soft material. It's like a silky, soft feel. It does feel, I'm gonna say like half a size too big. So I don't think that the 2X, like I think the 2X wouldn't give me the same look as I want, but the 3X is like slightly big, but you've got elastic here and a tie, so I'm able to really cinch it in. I love this. I didn't know that I would like this as much, though anytime subscription boxes like this give me the option for jumpsuits or like rompers, I always get them because I think they're so easy when you're unsure of like pants and a top, like picking pieces out together. You just have this like one piece. Let's talk final thoughts. The total for every single thing in my box, all 6 pieces, is $326. Now, if I keep everything, remember I get that $25% off discount. So that brings my total to $244.50. For some reason, I have $6.36 in promos or credits. So now my total is $238.14. Not a bad price, I feel like, for all these pieces. I don't love them all, so I'm not keeping them all. If I were to keep something, it would be this. This could be really pretty for like a spring wedding as well. Like, I don't know, just the fit and the style, the colors, I think it's so pretty. The shoes, I'm going to see if I can find them somewhere else less expensive. I'll try to find similar pieces to these and link them down below for you as well. Those Stitch Fix, I guess if you're a member, you have the option to just shop versus order a box. So you can find these exact pieces on their website, but I will try to find similar pieces, link them down below. How do we feel about this? It's pretty, right? But $58, so let's say 60 bucks. Oh, I do get my $6.36. So let's say I'm paying 52 bucks for this. Will I wear it that much? I like it that much. I think it's really pretty. All right, that is a wrap on this video. I will also link Stitch Fix down below, like a little affiliate link. If you want to sign up and do the subscription box, then that link will be there. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Do I keep the jumpsuit? Oh, actually, by the time that you're watching this, I have to send this back already. I think you have 3 days, 3 or 5 days to try everything on before you send it back. I'm gonna send my mom a picture, see what she thinks about it.